So I finally got my package from Amazon. So it's time to unbox and review the MONVICT hot glue gun. This is a 40-watt hot glue gun that has an on and off switch. It comes with a standard stand, this hot glue gun also comes with a stand base. At the bottom, you can see 4 suction cups to secure the placement of the stand. This piece is made of silicone, so it's easy to remove any drips of glue. The package comes with 20 regular glue sticks and 10 glitter glue sticks. Now it's time to try the MONVICT 40-watt hot glue gun. Preheat the glue gun for 2 to 5 minutes. Now we are ready for some actions. I am very impressed with this hot glue gun. It's easy to use, convenient, and I like the fact that it comes with a stand that makes my craft room neat and organized. So I highly recommend this hot glue gun. So you better check this out, guys. Let's get crafty with this hot glue gun. These are some of my DIYs that I did using the MONVICT hot glue gun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.